This is actually a very quick one. It's not that difficult. Couple of steps. Easy to follow. Let's go.
All right, so I wasn't going to do it with this model, but here we are. This should be very quick. If you notice the teeth are all jacked up, that's because it's using the wrong UV maps on this mesh. So all we have to do is switch it from 1 to, Jesus. Anyways, sorry. So we need to bring in something that is called the donor mesh. Now, the donor mesh is just the exact same model, but with the proper UVs on them so that the textures can do what they need to do. So we're going to go ahead and bring in the donor mesh. Once we have that loaded up, then we're going to go through the process of how to transfer the UVs from the donor mesh to the receiver mesh. Ignore the fact that this donor mesh is all jacked up too. That's just because it has the wrong UVs on them. That's just because they have the wrong textures on them, but this is still gonna work, so don't even worry about that. So you select the donor mesh, then the receiver mesh. If you have a hard time figuring out which one's the donor and which one is the receiver, it's quite easy. The donor is the first one you click, then you shift select click the receiver. The donor is usually orangey and the receiver is usually red. So that should give you a better idea. I keep getting the two mixed up all the time, so that is pretty clear and concise. All right, so then you're gonna go into Object, Link Transfer Data, and then you're going to find the section where it says Copy UV Maps. That's it. Click on that, and voila, it has been transferred. Like I said, super quick, super easy. And now you have the right UVs on the right model.
There it is. Quick, simple, easy, painless. If you have any other questions about Blender, ZBrush, or Unreal Engine that you just couldn't figure out on your own, I don't think I will always have the answer for you, but I'll definitely dive into it and do a tutorial on the solution, because that's what I'm very good at, is figuring out solutions. So, catch you on the next one. Like and subscribe if you want to see me again. Stay creative.